Instagram is the worst platform for monetization. With its limited monetization options and ever-changing algorithms, turning your passion into profit can feel impossible. Currently, content creators can only earn money from Instagram subscriptions. But there is a trick you can do for free. It's an exciting new way to earn money on Instagram that's quick to set up, engaging for your followers, and profitable for you. It's paid online challenges. It's a game changer for monetizing your content and engaging your followers. They're easy to create, bring people together, and help you achieve shared goals. Plus, they can be a great income stream for you no matter your niche. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how to launch your challenge and start making money on Instagram today. Many content creators make money by developing and selling online courses. But courses take a lot of time to create. Challenges, on the other hand, can be set up in minutes. And if you already have an existing course, I'll show you how to turn it into a challenge, which can increase completion rates and deliver positive results faster. To create a challenge, you can use free community platforms like Nasio. Just go to nas.io/monetize Instagram and sign up for community. Go to the Challenges tab and create a challenge. Name your challenge, upload a cover photo, and set if it's free or paid. I recommend creating a paid challenge not only because you can earn money, but it also promotes accountability for participants to finish what they've started. As participants start to join your challenge, you can see them and their progress in the Participants tab. And how do you make sure they are making progress? Just set your checkpoints. They are prompts or tasks that participants must accomplish to make progress in the challenge. You can customize the frequency and deadlines to make sure everybody shows up. With checkpoints, you can also block participants from advancing to the next level. There are different ways you can create a checkpoint. Add videos, attach PDFs, or even upload your online courses and turn them into modules. At the end of the challenge, you can declare winners based on their progress. And to make it more exciting, reward your winners with prizes and cash. Now let's add more details to your challenge and create a landing page that looks like this. Make sure you have your image, title, and description. Then you can add your challenge group chat here. Participants can automatically join the chat once they complete the payments. Preview your challenge landing page and hit publish once it's ready to go. Your challenge page includes a countdown, so everyone knows when it starts. To promote your challenge, you can create Instagram posts, stories, or reels to invite and show your followers the benefits of joining your challenge and let them know how to join. Here is a strategy you can use. Pre-launch. Tease your followers with sneak peeks of what's coming. Share behind-the-scenes content of you setting up the challenge. Use Instagram stories and reels to create anticipation. Launch. Announce your challenge with a dedicated post. Use Instagram Live to explain the benefits and how to join. Share testimonials or examples of past successful challenges to build credibility. Post-launch. Regularly update your followers on the progress of the challenge. Share participant achievements and success stories. Encourage more followers to join before it's too late. Using your Instagram broadcast channel is also a powerful way to promote your challenge. Use it to share exclusive updates and early access information with your most engaged followers. Announce the launch in your broadcast channel with direct links to join. Nasio helps you run your challenges on autopilot. For challenge participants, they can use the Nasio mobile app to complete their checkpoints and track their progress on the go. The great thing about online challenges is you can create one no matter your niche. Check out how these communities monetize their challenges. SG Budget Babe started a 30-day dividend investor challenge where she earns $100 for each participant who joins. Darshan Martial Arts Community on Nasio launched a 30-day martial arts challenge for martial arts enthusiasts. You can try a 7-day fitness challenge, a 10-day design challenge, an engineering challenge for a month, or a 3-month investing challenge. Your options are endless. Challenges are the simplest and fastest way to bring your followers together and also gives you a way to monetize. Each challenge you make for your community helps you deepen your connections. Nasio is the only platform with every tool you need to run a successful challenge. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to create paid challenges. Start a paid challenge today.